have created a new medic for Station 2. Woo! Can you not? Are you that weak? Well, guys, we're gonna be stuck on this hill for a long time. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, guys, so we have a no pants Springfield unit, and we have figured out a way how to get up this hill. Drive! 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 Yo, what am I doing? What? I have no clue, bro. Okay, guys, I'll meet you when we're up there. We finally made it up this hill after 67 years. And now all of a sudden I'm like floating. Oh my god, I have to walk around the ice. Oh, we don't have one. Drive. We have complete the mission.